Following a brutal incident that occurred yesterday in Kapchorwa, where a BBS journalist was allegedly beaten by officers of the Joint Anti-Terrorism Unit, the National Unity Platform presidential candidate, Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, has condemned the actions of the police, describing them as criminal and unacceptable. He said no one should be subjected to such treatment for simply doing their job.
Condemn in the strongest terms the attack on a journalist, a BBS journalist who was beaten so badly. In fact, he's right there. He was attacked by the police, as you saw, and he was beaten. These journalists are only covering what is going on. Journalism should not be a crime, and police officers should not act in criminal ways. So we condemn that, we sympathize with you and all the media fraternity, and we promise that in a new Uganda, these are the things we are fighting against. Nobody should be brutalized by security for doing their job.
During his campaign, the presidential candidate assured the people of Nakapiripirit of improved service delivery, including better education and healthcare services. He also promised the people of Karamoja improved road networks and expanded electricity supply across the region, among other developments.
My brothers and sisters in Nakapiripirit, my name is Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. In Uganda with better hospitals, in New Uganda with better schools, in New Uganda where we're going to fight poverty. We will no longer be isolated. I want to call upon all of you, especially the young people. I want you to know that Uganda belongs to all of us. We need development in every place in Uganda. So, in a new Uganda, we are going to have electricity spread across Karamoja. In a new Uganda, the roads in Karamoja are going to be improved.
While in Moroto, he called upon his supporters to spread the message of improved services in hospitals and schools, as well as better welfare for security agencies.
I want to ask all of you to spread the message. Send this message to your family. Send this message to your friends. Send this message to your parents. And tell them that in the new Uganda, we are going to have better hospitals and better schools. We are going to pay our teachers better. We are going to pay our doctors and nurses better. And we are also going to pay our soldiers and
He later moved to Amudat, where he promised the people full protection, assuring them that their livestock would be safeguarded.
Know that many of your cows are being stolen and the government is not protecting you. I am telling you, in a new Uganda, you are going to be protected like any other Ugandan. Other people call me Bobby Wine. I am here to ask for your vote so that I become the next president of Uganda.